Now let's set up a session. So first we're going to go into our dashboard here and we're going to scroll down and we're going to go into our recent sessions here and create new session just by clicking this button. And first we have a quick session and we have an advanced session. We'll dive into both of those, but first let's just start off with the quick session. So we're going to start off by naming our session. We're going to add our balance and the assets that we're going to want to trade. In this case, I'll add ES and NQ. And so we're going to have a ton of assets coming out. And so just be on the lookout for that. You'll have everything that you need if you're a futures trader, if you're a Forex trader. And in the future, we're going to have a lot more asset classes available for you. We have cryptos as well and some other things. So we'll be able to incorporate all of those in the future. But as of right now, we have those and we can select our date. We can either skip or just say, hey, we want to test this one day, this 1 week, or this 1 month. And if you want to add more, you just click. So 1 extra day, 1 extra week, or 1 extra month. We can't do any more right now because the max is the October 29th, and right now is the 29th, right? So we can't skip forward any more than that. Now that's going to be the quick session here. The next is going to be the advanced session. So you click right here, and we'll have a little bit more information. So we're going to have our strategy and a description. We'll have our account balance and assets. We'll also have our new spreads and commissions feature, which you'll be able to click on right here. And these should be brought in from your account settings, your global settings. So that's going to be really, really good. And if you want, you can just update them right here as well, just to say, hey, I want them to be like this and like this. And so the way that our spreads and commissions will work is that every time you enter a trade, this is going to be the commission in dollars per contract if you're talking about futures, or per lot if you're talking about Forex. And so that's what it's going to be. And it's going to be executed, or you're going to absorb that cost as soon as you enter the trade. Okay. So that's how it's going to be. And then you can go next from there. You select your dates. And then if you want, you can smooth candles. And smoothing candles is basically just getting rid of all the gaps. I prefer to leave it off, but there's a lot of people that really like to have that on. And there we go. We create the session and we have the session there. If you want to go check it out, you can pull this down and we can either go to the chart here, or we can go into our sessions tab and we can go to our FX replay walkthrough, and boom, here it is. So we don't have any data yet, but we can start to populate it just by going into to click go to chart, and that'll take us to the chart to start backtesting. We can also go into our analytics from right here. We can go into our session settings in case we want to go and update that again, right? We can go and change the date range once more data comes, and we can start moving forward and continue a testing session. So we can do a lot of good stuff from our sessions tab. It's really, really awesome. You can even open up your journal and look at the journal entries from that session. So this is all the session. I hope that you guys got a lot out of that, and we'll catch you in the next, okay? Cheers.